Grandpa, this dragon is huge. Do you think it breathes fire?
Well, the book says it's friendly, so
Perhaps only warm air. Grandpa, what is life and how do we live it correctly?
life, my dear Abhi, is a journey of learning and love. If you are free now, shall we go to the forest?
Grandpa, who is the best teacher in life?
Nature teaches the greatest lessons, my child. Today, the jungle itself will teach you. Now tell me, what did you learn from our trip?
I saw an ant carrying a grain much bigger than itself. And I saw a duck floated peacefully on the water, but its legs moving fast underwater.
Anything else?
I also saw a sparrow sang sweetly from a branch.
I am very happy that you have observed everything very carefully. Now I will explain what they told you. Firstly, the ant teaches us consistency and hard work. No matter how small we are, if we keep moving, we can achieve great things. The duck says the lesson of life. Stay calm outside, even when working hard inside. The sparrow teaches us to greet every day with joy and gratitude. If you could notice carefully, the owl teaches wisdom. Observe more, speak less.
Animals and birds may not speak our language, but their lives teach the greatest lessons.